So today we will see how to make Masoor Usal or Masoor Shak in instant pot. To begin with, we will take soaked 1 cup soaked whole Masoor. Masoor is nothing but a type of lentil, and I have soaked it for like 4 to 5 hours. Onion, 1 cup onion, one medium sized tomato, oil. I have taken like 5 or 6 just crushed garlic cloves. This is kanda lasun masala and kadi patta, ginger garlic paste. It's just a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we will need like few masalas. So to begin with, this is hing, haldi, this is goda masala. If you don't have goda masala, you can use garam masala. This is dhana jeera powder, cumin seeds, and this is mohri or mustard seeds. Salt to taste. So let's begin, and we will adjust it to the high pressure. Okay, I had put it on. So let's put instant pot on a saute mode, and we will adjust it to the high pressure. Okay. Okay. Or tell me that their mustard seeds, they don't splutter in instant pot. So the trick is you have to see the instant pot turning hot, and then put some oil in it. Wait for like couple of minutes. Okay, I'll just take it little closer to the camera. Okay, now the instant pot is, or the oil is hot. I am putting a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and if you can see, they have started spluttering immediately. They have started to splutter now. Let's wait for another minute or so.
Action.
Okay, so I hope you all can see that it has started to splutter. I can get the nice aroma of the mustard seeds too. At this time, I am going to add I have just roughly crushed these garlic cloves. So I'm going to put that. I always, wow, this is what I like. And put this kanda lasun or onion and garlic powder. It also has red chili powder. So it will give a good taste as well as good color to this usal or curry. Adding hing, some turmeric powder, just a teaspoon. I had not put the cumin seeds before because they would have a small teaspoon of cumin seeds. And let's put the onion now. Put some salt at this time so the onions will sweat faster. But just keep in mind when you put the salt at the end that we have put salt at this stage as well. I'm going to cover it so it will be little faster. Instant Pot also sells its own lids, but I'm just using the lid which I had. So usually it fits. If you have the Instant Pot lid, really good for you. Okay, so the onions are sweating. Just a quick stir, and let's add the tomatoes in it. I have added one medium sized tomato. Let that tomato sweat too. Going to take another couple of minutes. I am covering it again. Okay, so tomatoes and onions, they have started to leave some oil. And they have incorporated well. This was like after 3 minutes. Okay, so we did not add the ginger garlic paste, so I'm adding ginger garlic paste in it. It is 1 tablespoon. Let's add the coriander and cumin powder. And couple of teaspoons. Don't have the Maharashtrian Goda masala, don't worry about it. You can just add the garam masala which you have. I am going to add, which we had forgotten to put it in the ingredients, some coriander or cilantro. When you put it in the tempering, it usually gives a nice aroma at the end. I am adding the lentils along with the water in which it was soaked. I am going to add more salt at this time. Also, we are going to need a cup of more water. Okay, I'm adding 1 more cup of water. Let's see if it's enough. I think we will have to add a little more water because the lentils will change the size and they'll be a little bigger. So we don't want to see the burn sign on the Instant Pot. added to 1 cup soaked masoor, whole masoor, 3 cups of water. Also, I put the water in which the masoor was soaking. So around 3.5 to 4 cup waters for 1 cup of masoor. Now what will I do is I'm going to put the rice also along with this. So I'm putting the taller trivet and so I'm going to put a trivet and rice. The video for the dal and rice I will put it under the description box, so you will know how to make dal rice in instant pot. Very easy. Just putting the lid. So I'm turning off the saute mode now and putting it on beans and chili mode for 20 minutes on normal setting. So let's wait and watch. So it just turned off. Okay, so let's wait for like 5 minutes now, and after 5 minutes I am going to just release the pressure. I am putting my timer for 5 minutes. So let's release the pressure from the instant pot. So it took around a minute to release all the pressure. Let's open and check what's going on inside. Here you go. I'm taking out the rice. As you can see, the rice is cooked perfectly. Taking it out on the trivet. Taking this thing off. Oops. It's way too hot, so you have to be extremely careful. Okay. So you can see how mushy and nice the dal has cooked, the lentils have cooked. If you want it mushier, then I would suggest don't release the pressure and put it on natural release. Okay, and also if you can see that this is little bit runny here. Why? Because we wanted it in curry consistency. But if you feel that you want it in sabut consistency, or you don't want it like this curry consistency, I would say just put 3 cups of water instead of 4. I am taking it out in a nice bucket. They always say that you eat with your eyes first. So decoration in good containers, good vessels. If you serve it in good vessels, it always feels good. Let's garnish it with more cilantro. And it's ready.